Hey Mycroft, what time is it?
2:41.
Currently 2:41.
Hey Mycroft, what's the date?
It's Friday,
It is
August 9th,
Friday,
2019.
August 9th, 2019.
Hey Mycroft, what's the weather like?
It's currently few clouds and 86
It's currently
degrees.
few clouds
Today's
and
forecast is
86
for a high of
degrees
86 and a
Fahrenheit.
low of 72.
Today's forecast is for a high of 86 and a low of 72.
Hey Mycroft, how tall is the Eiffel Tower?
The total height of the Eiffel Tower is about 1,063 feet.
The total height of the Eiffel Tower is about 1,063 feet.
Hey Mycroft, play the news.
Here's the latest news from NPR News Now.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Lakshmi Singh. President Donald Trump is advocating what he calls intelligent background checks for firearm purchases in the aftermath of the back-to-back mass shootings in El Paso, Texas, and
Stop.